Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically get the Lana dress. So actually just type in the forest first on the search bar. And you're going to go here first. It's by Lana Does Nails. You'll need a few people to do this with, by the way. You're just going to walk straight ahead here. I don't know why there's a lot of people. And this event is like ongoing, so it's like not out yet. It's just like a secret thing. I don't really use the Lana dress, not gonna lie. But you're just going to go up here. You're going to need 4 people, so get some friends. Wait, what just happened? Oh, I died. So there's like this like Lana Lana dupe. So just be careful of that. And when you press 1, there's like a light, but it's not super clear. You're just gonna walk and just jump here. And when there's like this podium, you're gonna stand there with like 4 people. I don't know if I'm gonna do like the full-on walkthrough because it's oh my gosh, Lana's behind me. Please no, please Lana, no. Well, I'm dead. But there's going to be like a podium. You're gonna step on it with like 3 other people. And it's gonna bring you a maze. In that maze, you are going to basically follow her portrait to get out. You'll need a lot of people to be able to see in the dark. So get as many like friends you can in that server. But that's pretty much it. I wouldn't say it's easy. The quest is easier, like the Halloween one. And this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.